Hey YouTube. Once again, and most of you know what. I have a new hobby, aside from building these things. I've got a new hobby which I'm about to unveil, even though this hobby is not finished, of course. And I have one that's proposed. It will be built this summer. Yep, she looks really nice in the plastic wrap. I got another thing I want to unbox. Voila! It is a Colt M4. Got this from Walmart for $30. I mean, it's awesome. The value of this thing is $100. I think, or maybe even 50, 60, something like that. And I got this. I'm going to round it off so it's round it down so it's $30. I mean, I had money for my birthday, and that's how I got the money for this thing. And along with that, with my leftover birthday money, I got a gun case. I got a $15 gun case, which is right here. I mean, it's awesome that I'm getting money. And yes, I invest some whenever I get some. So, in that case, I'm going to go unbox this M4. And here's my reason for owning pellet guns, too. You know, as most of you know me, like some of the discussions I had, it was always my desire to become a pilot, especially a civilian pilot. All I have to say for that is, I pleaded a second. Yes, I said it. I pleaded a second. So, yes, for many things, I'll even say it again. I pleaded the second. Alright? Even though I want to be a civilian pilot. I got this as a means of protection. And two, yeah. Even though I'm not allowed to hold a real gun. This is just a pellet rifle. In that case, shall we open it? Open it? Alright, let's do it. Alright. Okay. Let's see. All these things. Alright, let's go right here. Alright. We got some targets to go with it. And we've got the instructions. Got the gun in here. Everything I need to get started. Got a flashlight. Well, it's going to require batteries. Okay. That's this much. The rifle itself. Oh, what's this? It's the butt. I said it. Butt. Okay. Hey! It even comes with a pistol. Hey! Yeah, it comes with a pistol. Alrighty, so I'm going to load her up. See this, and it's got a pistol with it, and it even comes with a sample of BBs. Yay! Now I'm gonna put the targets in here. I'm gonna put the box away. Rifle. I refer to these as pellet rifles. We'll put this thing together. My M16 is going to give out on me anytime. Because I slept with it once and I apparently broke it. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, so I got the muzzle in here. It's pretty good. And I'm going to put the flashlight on this now. It's got a screwdriver on it. Got semi-automatic and of course the safety mode, which I did not witness. I'm going to put this flashlight on this thing. And the sights right here. Put it on top. Okay. Alright, I'm going to go put this on the gun. Put this right on here. Try to probably get a clear shot. Yeah, I'll worry about this later. Ooh, the grip. I'm going to put the grip on this. This thing doesn't even have a strap. I'll take the one for my M16. I'm sure. Ah. Here we go. Automatic. I won't shoot anybody in here. This is just a warning shot. A test shot. Correction, a test shot. Especially if the mice come in. There. I'm going to test shoot the pistol. Like James Bond carries. I mean, I'm a good guy. And I'm a James Bond fan personally, so. But right when I saw this pistol, I'm like, sweet. So I'm going to go cock this back. And from here, I'm going to go do that much. We got a safety switch. Well, that's all the time I have. Thanks for watching.